Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to disable background apps in Windows machine. Now, why you should disable background app. Background applications running on Windows devices consume system resources, memory, and CPU power. These applications can impact system performance such as increased boot time and slow response time. There are a couple of benefits by disabling background apps on your computer. It improves the performance of the system, increase battery life, reduce data consumption, and it will also reduce distraction. Now, to disable background apps in Windows, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will have to go ahead and click on apps on the left hand side and then click on installed apps. Search the application you want to turn off the background permission and click on the three dots next to the each application. So once you click on the three dots, you would see an advanced option. In case if the advanced option isn't available, that application does not support background permission manual. Let's say if you want to disable 3D viewer in the background apps, you will have to click on the three dotted lines and then click on advanced option. And once you click on advanced option, you would see background apps permission. From here, you can choose let this app run in background. In case if you want to turn it off permanently, you can click on never. And in case if you want this app to run in the background, you can choose always. And in case if you choose power optimize, which is recommended, then Windows will decide if app will be running in the background or not. So this is how you can go ahead and disable the background apps from the settings window. Another option you can go ahead and disable the background app for all the users on the computer is making some registry tweak. Now to do this, you will have to open registry editor. So for that, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type reg edit, click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the registry editor open, this is how the registry editor would look. Now before you make any changes to the registry, please make sure that you follow the steps correctly, and in case if you don't follow the steps correctly, there might be a chances of your computer going to a no boot. So please follow these steps carefully. Now once you have the registry editor open, you will have to go ahead and expand HKey local machine. Under HKey local machine, you will have to go ahead and expand software and then expand or look for policies. It would be in alphabetical order. So expand policies. Under policies, you will have to go ahead and expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, look for Windows and then expand Windows. Once you're on the Windows, you will have to go ahead and create a new registry key with the name called app privacy. So you can do a right click on Windows and then click on new, click on key and create a folder which says app privacy. I will also mention this in the video description. Once you create this folder, hit enter. That should create a registry folder, and then you will have to do a right click on app privacy and then click on new and then choose the option which says dword 32-bit value, and here you will have to go ahead and rename the key as 32-bit key as let app run background. So you can, to rename, you can do a right click and then click on rename and enter the name of this dword value, which is let apps run in background, and hit enter. And once you hit enter, then you will have to double click on the let apps run in background value and enter the value data as 2. Click on OK. Restart your computer. That should disable the background apps on your computer. In case if you want to enable the background apps, all the background apps, what you could do is you can double click on it, or you can do a right click and click on modify, change the value from 2 to 0, enable let background apps on your computer and restart your computer. Now this should go ahead and disable the background apps on your computer for all the users. So this is how you can go ahead and disable the background apps in your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.